med Knappen och Hakim.
Han satte hjärtan i brand under Energy in the Park för några månader sedan. Vi på Energy var först i Sverige med att spela singeln Natteravn. Snart ska vi få höra hans uppföljare. Välkommen Rasmus Seba!
Tack så mycket, många tack.
Hur är det?
Jag har det riktigt gott. Har du det också gott?
Ja, han har det riktigt gott.
Vi har det också bra. Vi har fått mejl ifrån många stockholmare som säger att de förstår inte danska. So we're gonna continue this in English.
Okay.
So that everybody understands.
Yeah.
We gotta make everybody happy.
Yeah, you're right.
You were with us on Energy in the Park this summer. What did you think?
It was amazing. I really had a blast.
You were with us on all the concerts.
Yeah.
Stockholm, Gothenburg and Malmö.
Exactly.
Which one was the best?
It's very hard to say because they were all very good.
Yeah, I really agree. I really agree.
Yeah. I think Malmö.
They had the biggest crowd in Malmö.
Yeah,
It was
exactly.
like 30,000 people.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's the thing. But we do think that you liked Gothenburg as well because of the after party.
Oh yeah.
You had
the
a lot of
after-party.
fun on the
That's
after
right.
party.
It was a good party.
You were dancing on the sofas and drinking shots with our colleague Anton.
No.
Do you remember that?
Yes,
No.
you were. So you don't remember the party?
I do remember. It was a good party.
Do you remember that you had a shot race with Anton Denise?
Yes, I remember that.
Who won?
I won. I'm Danish.
Is that
I'm Danish.
And you're like 3 times as big as Anton.
Yeah, but I won.
About this hanging out on the clubs and stuff, your first hit single here in Sweden, Natteravn, was about that you were hanging around in clubs and running out all night.
Yeah.
Is that still the case? Are you still Natteravn?
I mean, my new single is called Engel, so it's not the same story. But yes, sometimes I go out.
Sometimes you're still a Natteravn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Together with you guys. So.
That's true.
We are good boys.
Yeah.
But we were thinking that now when you're famous, even here in Sweden, you've been famous in Denmark for years, but do you have any good pick-up lines or tips and tricks to pick up girls for us?
You know, guys, I'm a good guy, like you guys, so I'm not like...
shit.
I'm not...
Sorry.
So, I mean, no, I don't have a good pick-up line.
So what do you do? Picture me as a beautiful brunette.
It's not that hard, actually. I just say, hello, my name is Rasmus. And then
Shake hands.
You shake my hand.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's
it.
what we're going to try. We're going to go hit the clubs.
Just say your name is Rasmus.
My name is Rasmus. And see what happens.
Okay, but you started to talk about your latest single, Engel.
Yeah.
What is it about?
It's about my ex-girlfriend who cheated on me.
That bitch.
Oh.
Yeah, well, that's how the story goes.
Okay, and you promised to play it, and it's going to be acoustic as well.
Yeah.
You brought the guitarist.
Yes, Daniel.
Daniel, welcome.
Yeah, okay, but let's finish this off with a live version of Engel then.
Yes, let's do that. Yeah. Baby, jeg var solgt lige fra start. Du var min drømmepige. For stjernerne på himlen, ingen tvivl, du var min engel. Og alle folk kunne se, du var med mig. Jeg var så fucking stolt. Forvandlede mig fra drengerøv til en mand langt om længere, ja. Og planen, den kunne ikke slå fejl. Jeg skulle blive gammel med dig, lykken var gjort. Jeg skulle gøre dig til mor, yeah. Og ja, jeg har hørt om Nemesis, men troede vel lige vi var kvind. Jeg ville virkelig ønske, jeg kunne blive, men jeg er nødt til at sige farvel. Min engel, for evigt, for evigt, for evigt. Jeg elsker kun dig. Farvel. Min engel, min engel, min engel. For evigt, for evigt, for evigt. Jeg elsker kun dig. Farvel, min engel, yeah. 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 Og baby, jeg var så lige fra start. Kunne ikke gå hurtigt nok. Jeg tog dig ind og lod dig blive en del af min familie. Forelsket i en løg, hvor var det rart havde fundet ro i min krop, så du kunne tage i byen og komme hjem lige når du ville. Yeah, yeah. Skat, jeg elsker dig, det sagde du, og tog med veninderne i sommerhus. Spørgsmålstegn, nej, for jeg stolede på dig. Men sjov som alle dine veninder sad på caféen nede i Østergade. Jeg ringede, men du slukkede telefonen. Er det sådan, du vil sige farvel? Min engel, for evigt, for evigt, for evigt. Jeg elsker, jeg elsker, jeg elsker kun dig. Farvel. Min engel, min engel, min engel. For evigt, for evigt, for evigt. Jeg elsker, jeg elsker, jeg elsker kun dig. Farvel, min engel. Så uskyldig, du gjorde mig så lykkelig. Men sket er sket nu. Dit kys er for sent nu. Sig farvel. Min engel, min engel, min engel. Hey, jeg ville have givet dig mit efternavn. Men du havde lidt for travlt. Farvel, min engel.
Rasmus Seback live här på Energy. Tack för att du kom hit.
Mange tak, fordi jeg måtte komme.
Applåder igen.
Jag heter Rasmus.
Tak skal I have. Mange tak.
Hello. Energy morgon med Knappen och Hakim.
This entertainment.
Energy.